Hello, this is Bob Davies, and I'll be speaking for Bonadio in February. And I wanted to introduce myself to you and give you a very short presentation about what you can expect in the program. So, what I'm going to be talking about is about behavior. And I have spoken quite frequently in the construction industry. You can take a look at what I've done and watch some longer videos on my website, which is my name, bobdavies.com. And what I'm going to do now is just a short presentation, and I'm not going to customize this for the construction industry, but the program will be customized for the presentation. So let's be general now, we'll be customized later. So what I'll ask you to do is, if you're taking notes, is to draw 7 circles across the top of your page about the size of a quarter. And once you have that, this is a sequence of events that's appropriate for any kind of sales. I know why you're in the business that you're in, and that's because you love people, right? Well, let's draw a dollar sign right there in the far right circle. Now, money isn't the most important thing in your life, but I do hold it up there in importance with air and breathing. Here is the sequence of events to make money. In order to make money, you need to have sales. In order to have sales, you need to have the product or service to sell. In order to sell the product or service, you need to do presentations. In order to do presentations, you need to make appointments. In order to set appointments, you need to make calls. And in order to make calls, you need to have an attitude that supports you in taking that sequence of events. Now, this is where the barrier is. Just draw a line between the first circle and the rest. To the right of this circle, this is about the what to do and the how to do it. Training in the United States is very strong on here's what you do, here's how you do it, now go do it. It's that now go do it part that there's not training on, or there's not outstanding training on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a specific behavioral dynamic that you didn't have when you walked in the room that you will have when I'm finished. That one behavioral dynamic has a chance to be significant in your lives. So let's take a look at that first circle. What is prevailing in the conversations about this is motivation and inspiration. Motivation and inspiration is feel good, although it doesn't last very long. So we've got to go beyond this. What we need to do in this first circle is we need to look at how habits are formed. We need to look at what's called emotional regulation. All of this goes into your ability to change how you feel on demand and to get yourself to take action. Get yourself to take action when in the past you would avoid and then justify the avoidance with rationalization. So this is powerful. The bottom line from this one behavioral dynamic is that you will get more done. And this can be applied both in your health and your business, and I should say all three, your personal life as well. So health, business, and personal. When I say emotional regulation, this is a lifetime skill. It's just not being taught. Emotional regulation is the ability to keep yourself in a peak performance state regardless of your outside circumstances. Instead of being dictated to and led by how you feel, you will be able to shift how you pay attention to things, how you pay attention to things that happen to you, how you pay attention to things that you want to do, and you will see opportunities to get these actions done as a result of using the one behavior dynamic that I'm going to give you in this program. And again, bottom line is you're going to get more done, and you will be able to use this behavioral system long after I'm gone for your entire organization. So again, I look forward to spending time with you in February, and it'll be here before we know it. Happy holidays. We don't want to edit this. Happy holidays. I will see you soon.